Right now we are heading down to Pokhara after our stay in Sikles village. By the time we get to Pokhara, it's kind of late. We're staying in the Hotel Dream Lights. For dinner, we're just ordering food to the room. And Kevin's still feeling a little ill from something he ate in Sikles, so he just has some toast for dinner. Let's head out and find some breakfast. We're following my cousin as he leads us on what he calls a 5 to 10 minute walk to a restaurant he suggests. Do you want to go to Applebee on a date night? So this Ferris wheel is a part of what's called Pokhara Disney. And we finally made it to breakfast. Okay, this is our 5 to 10 minute walk.
How long was it really?
How long was it?
It was actually 30 minutes. The food and coffee was really good, and the atmosphere here was very nice as well. This restaurant was attached to a hotel, which also looked really nice. And the rest of the crew is picking us up here to go on to our next stop. This is Pumdikot, where there is a large statue of Shiva and also some fantastic views of the Annapurna Range. It's a little fuzzy, but there's the Pokhara Disneyland Ferris wheel. What do you think? Interesting?
They're big.
And now let's head to our next stop, which is Devi's Falls. It's the FIFA Deluxe.
Less water.
Here, the waterfall drops down and disappears into an underground tunnel. Water flow's a little light, so it'll be a little bit hard to see today. The falls are named after a tourist who was swept away here, so there's some history behind this name. It's a quick stop, but interesting to see.
Normally the water is higher. With winter it's much higher. And you were saying it makes some vortexes. And the water goes underneath the ground under here and comes out somewhere over there. But the water is low.
Here's a little history about Mrs. Davis, who the falls are named after. Next, we drove for a little while and ended up at a lakefront restaurant where we would have lunch. Being on the lake, they naturally specialize in fish. And now we head back to the main part of town. We'll head out to find some dinner and just explore a little bit.
You don't get all.
You always talk about you want McDonald's.
You should get it.
You came to Nepal just for this?
Yes.
It's Walmart, I think. I don't know what that letter is. Along the lake, it looks like people set up little cookout stations and rent out the seats to grill for you, which is kind of a cool concept. Let's stop in this grocery store and pick up some snacks, since we'll have a long bus ride to Chitwan tomorrow. You got a milkshake? Yeah. What is it?
Very sweet, but good.
And let's try out this restaurant called Soul Origin. He literally came here because he won't stop talking about how much he loves schnitzel, schnitzel this, schnitzel that. It's his favorite food, so that's why we're here.
You probably have to take the basil off. I mean, you can eat it,
You think I have to? I probably should. Looks good though.
but... In WhatsApp.
Okay, you know we're getting close because there's the big tree. Now we're heading out to catch a bus to leave Pokhara and head to Chitwan.